Hey guys, got a package from my dude Dylan at HOSA the other day. I don't even know what's in here, but I'm stoked to check it out. So let's see. Speaker cables, guitar cables. This is, I believe they're like top of the end edge line stuff that he was telling me about. Couple of mic cables, 2 mic cables. These are 2 the same. 20-foot cables. Right angle guitar cable. Awesome. Whoa, what is this thing? A cable tester, holy crap. This is actually super rad and will come in extremely handy. Something I probably should have had already, but I didn't. Oh man, even more stuff. Dylan. Dude, you're the best. TRS, patch cables, smaller XLR patch cables, cleaning stuff, screen cleaner, microphone sanitizer. Could be appreciated by some clients. Close the glass. A little beer later. Some parts and picks. Stuff that I'm dropping everywhere. Rad, Dylan, you're the best. Thanks so much, man. I did forget to mention there's a straight up blizzard outside. So hopefully you guys could hear me well enough there. Let's take a peek. Yeah. No thanks.